Hello guys, welcome to Indicator Factory, your go-to place for everything which is related to Forex trading. Today we have brought for you an amazing trading strategy which is very popular among the new and advanced traders because of its accuracy and authenticity, as it minimizes the chances of risk and maximizes your profit and makes your trade very easy for you. If you learn this strategy well, you can make a lot of profit with it. So be sure to learn it thoroughly and watch the entire video to get a complete understanding of the strategy. Okay, so now let's come to the live trading chart. And on your screen in front of you, you can see that there are blocks on the screen. So what is the purpose of these blocks, and how we are going to get the signals, and how are we going to interpret the signals? Everything you will know in just a short time. You can see that there are only blocks, but what is the purpose of a block? So you can see I am going to mark the block, and then I will show you that how it is providing signals to us, and how are we going to get an idea of a market just by looking at these blocks. So you can see that at a certain point the candle is touching the block. So that is the point where we are going to get that whether we have to buy or sell. It means that whether the trend up going or down going, you can see I have marked every single point where the candle is touching the block. So if I tell you like if the candle touches the block from downward side, it means the trend is going to go up now and we have to buy at this position, or if I say in other words, it is a buy signal, and if the candle and vice versa, and you can see that I am pointing towards the M30 time frame. It means that this strategy can work best for the M30 time frame. And if I come back to the candles again, so now whenever the candle touches the block from its upward side, it means that it is going to be a downgoing trend and we have to sell at this position. This is how simple it is to interpret the signals generated by this block. Now you can see that the accuracy of the strategy is that whenever the candle has touched a block from upward, it has went down, which shows that it is a downgoing trend. We can see that it is a highly accurate strategy, as shown on the screen. I am zooming and showing you that the moment it touched the block, it started to move downward, and the moment it touched the block from downward side, it started to move upward. So that is this strategy, and you can see it is a very accurate strategy if we check on this trade. So that's how you can easily interpret the signals from it. Now let's move to another trade and again test the accuracy of this strategy. Now there is another tree in front of you, and you can see again there are blocks on the screen. And now I'm going to mark every single point where it has touched the block, wherever the candle and the block have interacted. And you can see that again, whenever the candle touched the block, it either went upward or went downward. When it touched the block from upward side, it went downward, which means the downgoing trend started. And whenever it touched the block from downward side, the trend went upward, and you can see whenever it touched the block from upward side you have to sell, and whenever the candle touched the block from downward side you have to buy at that point, which means it is a buy signal. So that is the very simple thing which you must have got very easily, and this is a very accurate strategy which you can see on the screen that candles are exactly following the pattern which I have described you, and which is the pattern of this strategy. So it is a very accurate strategy, and you must apply it to your trading, and there it is in front of you that accuracy of this strategy is very high, and the blocks are right in front of you, and it is the best advantage which you get from this strategy is that it is a very easy to get strategy. It means that buy and sell signals are easy to interpret, and you have no difficulty understanding them. So that must be okay for you that you can. It is that much easy to make profit and get these authentic signals from such an easy strategy. So you should also find yourselves easy strategies like that so you don't waste time interpreting the signals rather than taking action according to that signal. If you also want more such strategies and accurate signals, then join our Telegram channel. The link has been provided to you in the description. Make sure to know that this video is for education purpose only, and applying any strategy without knowing what it is and how it works can be harmful for you. So make sure to learn about the strategy first and then applying it to your trading, or else apply it on your own risk. If you want a free strategy, you can contact us using the link in the description. Reach out and we'll provide any strategy you need. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.